Split single or a twingle is a rare layout only used in the two-stroke cycle. Typically, one cylinder houses the exhaust ports and the other one sucks fresh air-fuel mixture into the combustion chamber, so both cylinders share the same combustion area. One cylinder is slightly ahead of the other one, and to get the total volume, the bore and stroke dimensions must be multiplied by 2. Isetta. The Isetta was created by an Italian company called Iso. Widely sold under license, it became incredibly popular and received the most popularity under the BMW production. The original was powered by a motorcycle Twingle engine and had 2 rear wheels with narrow track. It wasn't very fast, but it was impressively fuel efficient. Puch Allstate 250 SGS, manufactured in Austria by the Steyr-Daimler Puch factory, the 250 SGS was a great first motorcycle for people and was sold as the Allstate SR250 by Sears in the USA. Around 39,000 of them were built and were capable of 68 miles per hour top speed. TWN Cornet. The Cornet was a very stylish looking motorcycle that possessed great low speed handling. The engine was of course a 200cc twin piston split single that made around 10 horsepower. Amongst those luxurious features of this bike was an automatic neutral selection or electric starting with a 12-volt system. TWN also made a 350cc Boss and BD250 models with this engine layout. DKW SS250. DKW is responsible for various motorcycles, 4 or 2 strokes, and they also made a Twingle engined one. It was called the SS250 and was quite powerful considering the engine capacity. It was water-cooled and featured twin carburetors. Later in the production, the single tube frame was replaced by a twin tube one, and the non-dampened rear suspension also received a shock absorber later on. EMC 350. Ehrlich Motor Company was founded by an Austrian immigrant and passionate motorcycle fan, Dr. Josef Ehrlich. Based on a German engineering, he managed to come with a 350cc split single model and later even imported a 125cc split single Puch for racing purposes.